Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object with InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in InShot, and for example we're going to remove this watch. So the first thing we have to do is clicking on the PIP option right here, and make sure that you import the same video that you have imported before, and this is the video that I have imported before. And then I'm going to adjust the length. I'm going to make the layer align with the first video. Okay, and now let's just make the resolution same with the first video. So just tap on this clip and then tap on this button. Okay, and we're going to put mask to cover this watch. Just scroll all the way to the right until you find mask option. Tap on this mask option and you can select the shape of the mask, and for example I'm going to select circle. Okay, and we're going to make the mask smaller. Just take another part of the video to cover the watch. So I'm going to take this part and just click on this check mark, and then we're going to drag the clip like this until it's fully covered. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button, and to make it looks more natural we can put filter. So just tap on filter and then click on filter right here and then select the filter, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, tap on this check mark button, and for the first layer, the second layer as well, click on PIP and then click on this layer, then click on filter, and you're going to select the same filter. Okay, and I think it looks more natural, right? Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.